Skydiving. Skydiving, also known as parachuting, is the exhilarating sport or activity of jumping from an aircraft or performing an acrobatic maneuvers during free fall before safely landing by deploying a parachute. These are examples of acrobatic maneuvers of skydiving or parachuting. Stable flight, belly, head down, somersault, circle formation, sequential formation. For the equipment and gear, there are two parachutes that are used. The first is the main parachute, and the second is the reserve parachute. And the others are parachute rig, AAD, which is automatic activation device, altimeter, gaiters, goggles, harness, and your gears, which is helmet, knife, hook knife, and jumpsuit. There are three procedures in skydiving. First is the exit. The exit phase marks the beginning of your skydive. You exit from the aircraft and transition from the relative safety of the cabin to the accelerating open sky. Second is free fall, the most thrilling part of skydiving. Free fall is when you plummet toward the ground without the parachute deployed. Second is canopy. After free fall, it is time to deploy your parachute, also known as the canopy. The procedures. There are three. First, mental preparedness. Skydiving primarily tests your mental strength. As you stand on the edge of the plane, take a deep breath and focus on the breathtaking view below. Second is appropriate attire. Wear close-fitting athletic clothing with lace-up sneakers. Check your jumpsuit for holes or tears. Third is canopy. Consume a light, nutritious meal before arriving at the drop zone.